What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Lazarbeam from the Fortnite icon series. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we start over on the left side, starting from the top of that circle, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now we leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle, go all the way around towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight on the top left side of each eye. So on the left side, draw a circle coming in and then back out. Line this up on the right. And now we're going to draw a small circle in the center of the eye for the pupil. Let's tuck this in underneath the highlight, coming around and then back out. And then we'll fill the center circle in black. Let's move to the center and draw on the nose. We start by lining up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center. Let's start on the left. Curve the nose coming down, and then up. Move up and draw a short curve, going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. We're going to start back over on the left, curve the mouth coming down, and then up. Step down and draw a short curve for the lower lip. Let's add a thin mustache above the mouth, leaving a gap in the center. Start with two short lines coming down. And then on the top left, go down and then up toward the left side. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the mustache in black. Now we're also going to add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the eyebrows. Let's start on the left side. Curve the eyebrow going up and then down. Line this up on the right, going up and then down. Let's go back to the inside, draw a short line going up towards the top of the eyebrow, and then we'll taper the eyebrow going out towards the side. So it gets thinner as we come down. And then we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the eye, we're going to step out, draw a large half circle. We come down, pull this in underneath the mouth, go across, and pull that up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side, we go straight up, and then bend that in. Now we're going to brush the hair over towards the right side. So let's start up here, curve up in the middle, and come down towards the right. And then we're just going to bend that back up. Let's go all the way back over towards the left. Curve the hair going around, and then up towards the top. Go across, and just pull that up. I'm just going to taper this back down and in. Coming down, and bending that in. From the top, we'll step down, draw another curve, going out and then up, and come back down and in. Let's go over towards the side, curve the hair coming out and then down, taper that back in and up. I'm going to step back, curve down, and then out. Now we're going to add a little bit of texture along the bottom edge of the hair, starting on the left, curve up, and across, step over, and do that one more time. Let's close off the right side of the head. Start by going straight up, and then bending that in. Let's draw the side of the hair. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve the head going out, come down, and just pull that in toward the side of the head. Line this up on the right, go up and out, and then tuck that in underneath. Let's move out to the side and add in the ears. On the left side, curve the ear going up, come down, just pull that in, line this up on the right, And we'll also add the folds inside the ear, starting on the left side, curve up and out with a short line, go back to the inside, curve out, and then hook that in. Now that we've completed the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We start on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. And then we're going to close off the bottom, starting on the left, curve down, and then back up. Now we're going to add some detail to the body, starting with the top edge of the belt. On the left hip, we're going to step up, curve down, and then up. Let's add the buckle. Leave a gap in the center and draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right. And then from the left side, we're going to step down, just trace the top, the right side, and go back over towards the left. And then we'll add a clip on either side. Stepping over, start with one straight line on either side. And we'll connect the top and bottom with a half circle, going around and then back in. Let's trace these two areas along the inside. Let's go back up underneath the chin, step down, start with a point. Draw two straight angle lines going out towards the side. From the bottom, draw a straight line coming down towards the buckle. And then we'll add in the collar. On the top left, step down, angle down and out on both sides. And we'll pull that straight up underneath the head. Let's draw a line going across the center of the body. Starting on the left, go straight across. Now we're going to add two buttons on the right side of that center line. One along the top, and then one on the bottom. And then we'll add a pocket. Starting on the left, draw a straight line coming in, line this up on the right, and all the way down toward that center line. And then we'll add that flap. Stepping down, draw another line going across on either side, and then we'll add a button in the center. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. In the center, we're going to step down, add a curve, left to right, going up and then down, and then leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, angle down and out towards the left and right side. Let's round out the bottom of the shorts. Starting on the left, curve this down and then bend that up. And we'll connect the hip to the outside of the shorts with a straight angled line. Once we have the shorts in place, we're going to tuck the legs in underneath. On the inside left corner, we're going to step out, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve the foot coming down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. Start by curving up, and then bending that down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. And then from the outside corner of the shorts, we're going to step in and draw the outside of the leg. Start by curving out and then down on top of the foot. And it'll draw the edge of the sock. On top of the foot, we're going to step up, curve down, and then up. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then we'll add the toe cap, starting from the top of the foot, curve in, and then down top of the sole. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We'll start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and down towards the same height. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle with a thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom curve of the thumb, we're going to come down and bend that up around the bracket, go out towards the side, down and up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. And now we'll go back and draw the edge of the glove. Starting from the top of the thumb, start by curving up and then out, step up, draw that twice. And then from the top of the arm on the inside, we'll draw the sleeve, curving up and then out. Let's go back down and add that strap going across the right hip. Starting from the left side of the belt buckle, curve down and then up, go in, just trace that across. Now we'll add a tool belt on either side. From the top of the belt, step down, draw a straight line going across on either side, straight down the side of the leg, and then pull that back in. And then on the right side, we connect the two top corners with a curve, going up and then back down. And that's pretty much it. There's Lazarbeam from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.